Be a snow angel?
Well, I can't do it now.
You got me.
Mom, look, it's still on my cheek.
Oh, snow on your cheek. Where's your pile of snowballs to get your dad when he comes home?
Well, the snowballs are way over there to my dad right there.
And what are you going to do with them when Dad comes home?
I got big ones to... Mommy, I still on my cheek.
What are you going to do with those snowballs?
Throw them at my dad.
Throw them at your dad? Are you having fun?